Welcome back. The government will revoke all the construction licenses issued after the governor's address in Goa Assembly. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that an order to the concerned departments would be issued on Monday. The governor, in his speech in the State Assembly delivered on 20th March, had said that the government will denotify the Regional Plan 2021.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says the decision to revoke all the construction licenses has come into force moment the governor addressed the State Assembly on 20th March. Parrikar says that he would issue an order in this regard to Town and Country Planning Department and other concerned departments on Monday.
गव्हर्नरच्या स्पीचान रिजनल प्लॅनच्या संदर्भात आमची भूमिका स्पष्ट केली आहे. त्या दिसापासून त्या भूमिकेप्रमाणे ॲक्शन जावंक जाय न्ही, ते करचे इतलेच डायरेक्शन आसतलें आनी काय ना.
नॉर्थ गोवा साउथ गोवा कलेक्टर एंड टीसीडी
सगळे कडेन वतली, ज्या लोकांक लागता पळय तांकां मेळटली. आयज सुटी, फाल्यां सुटी, परवा सुटी, सोमारा जेन्ना पळय येतली तुमकां कॉपी मेळटली. कितें जातलें सोमारा मोस्ट ओनली मंडे द ऑर्डर वील कम. But actually that order is a follow-up of what governor has said in his speech. गव्हर्नराची ज्या दिसा स्पीच जाल्या पळय ताज्या नंतर ते इफेक्टीव जाता. ताज्या पयलीं तें आश्वासन आशिल्लें, पण गव्हर्नरच्या स्पीचा नंतर जर कितें दिला कोणें लायसन्स जाल्यार तें लायसन्स योग्य प्रोसिजर ऑफ लॉ फॉलो करून रिवोक जातलें. अनलेस इट हॅज अन सेम पोजिशन इन 2001. सो 2001 जर तूं तें आशिल्लें आनी आयज 2021 आसा जाल्यार देर इज नो चेंज.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
State-run iron ore miner NMDC may announce a 300 to 400 rupees ton increase in prices of the iron ore. Sources say the price rise is almost certain now since the raw material is in short supply domestically and is costlier in China. The announcement from NMDC is expected in the third week of this month.
A ban on mining in Karnataka's Bellary region since July last year and closure of some mines in Goa have impacted iron ore production. This has resulted in an inadequate supply for most of the domestic steel mills. The price of lumps, which Indian steel mills mostly use, is between 4,900 rupees to 6,000 rupees per ton now. Fines are being traded between 2,200 rupees to 3,000 rupees per ton. Sources from NMDC says the price hike in China from USD 130 per ton to USD 150 per ton in the recent past provides NMDC the necessary cushion to effect a hike. This is likely for both lumps and fines, two varieties of iron ore. NMDC may announce rupees 300 to 400 per ton increase in prices of the iron ore. The matter would be discussed at the next board meeting of the NMDC in the third week of this month. The proposed price hike may not push the steel prices up further since almost all leading steel producers have effected a price hike from beginning of the current month. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Marga residents fear an outbreak of epidemic due to the stagnated and contaminated Nalla water. Residents claim that this Nalla has become a breeding ground for mosquitoes and other pests. Garbage and plastic waste is also floating in the dirty water. They have demanded immediate action.
Have a look at this Nalla at Old Market in Madgaon. You can see garbage and plastic waste floating over the dirty water. This has become an eyesore to the public. This has created fear of epidemics in mind of the people. They want the Nalla to be clean and hygiene to be maintained to safeguard public health.
त्याशिवाय आता सध्या जे कितें हांगा प्लास्टीक बिशी लोकांनी उडयल्लें आसा ते अशे तरेन ते ब्लॉक जाल्ले कडेन आसा हो नालो आनी ते उदकान इतली किमसान वास मारता की थंय सायडीन जे लोक रावतात तांकां हे तांच्या आरोग्याक हे खूब बाधक आसा. आनी त्या खातीर म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी जे कितें आरोग्य खातें आमच्या गोवा सरकारचें आसा आनी बेगींतले बेगीन येवन हे पळोवचें आनी हे क्लीन करून लोकांक मातशें तांच्या आरोग्याची राखण दिवची.
Due to restoration of the Nalla banks, the water flow has been blocked for past 1 month, thus leading to contamination as the wastewater of the Nalla also contains sewage. Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is in Shivaji Rao's role of Nayak movie. Easily accessible, a good listener and quick action. May it be a computer teacher, PWD worker or even an ordinary dishwasher. He addresses everybody. But the Nayak of the state says Nayak looks good as a movie character. In reality, it is just not possible.
मैं शिवाजी राव ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित
मनोहर पर्रीकर देवाचो सबूत देता की
भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा के साथ मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्य का शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा।
कायद्यावरवी स्थापित जाला अशा भारतीय संविधानाविषयी हांव खरेरी श्रद्धा आनी निष्ठा बाळगिल्लो हांव भारताचो सार्वभौमत्व आनी एकात्मताय उन्नत राखतलो.
From the day Manohar Parrikar has been sworn in as the Chief Minister, he is in action, whether suspension or action, and yes, the most easily accessible CM. This was the scene in the capital city on Wednesday. As Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar approaches his car at Vidyut Bhavan, a 80-year-old Anjani Shirodkar stops the CM.
सरकाराचे मेळना सरकारचे खंय रावता तूं खंय शिकयता हांगा शिकवली तशें न्ही गे आतां हांव हांगा येतलो काय तुका खबर नाशिल्लें न्हय ती म्हाका बेटी तशीच मेळ्ळी.
This 80-year-old brave woman has been struggling all her life to earn bread and butter. She is a dishwasher and travels every day from Shole to Panji.
अप्लाय बी केल्ले पयलीं हांव मानवेकारा कडेन तेन्ना केल्ले तेन्ना स फावटी गेले सरपंचाक तेणी करूंक ना म्हाजें करूं ना.
And here, the Nayak of the state comes in action.
खंय रावता तूं? दाण्यार खंय? कोणाचें घर मरे? शिवोले दाणो बरोवन घे हांव धाडटा म्हणटा तो. मनोबा शिरोडकार ना तूं बरोवन घे. फोन बी ना तुका घरा फोन बी ना हांव कोणाक तरी धाडटा तुज्या घरा हां हें कांयच कडेन दिसवानी तुका नाका हांव धाडटा तूं येतली आनी म्हाका त्रास करतली तुका धाडचें हांव हांगा आसा म्हणून तुका कळ्ळें सांपडलो
But even after this, Parrikar says Nayak can only be in movies.
नायक हो फक्त पिक्चरानूच आसता प्रत्यक्षान इतले फास्ट प्रत्येक गजालीचें काम करणें शक्य नसता.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Devendra Kaukar.
And it's time now for us to slip into a short break. Stay tuned.